Welcome back. In this lecture we will be covering delete operation in the database. So we have this show.php. Through this we are showing our database here. I have created these extra records here to show you that how these records are looking in this data table. So we have used database here and we have shown these database elements and the columns through this data table. Now I will be making this remove column, means whenever user will be clicking on this remove button in front of the ID, you can see, so this is number 1 ID, and if I'm clicking on this remove, this whole record will be deleted from here. So for this, first of all I will be going show.php, and inside this you can see this is the column remove, which we have added as a text, same as a remove text. So I will be adding some tags here. First of all I will be adding anchor tag here, so that if I will be clicking on this remove button I will be diverted to another page. Then I will be getting the ID of the row. Basically this is the primary key and this is the unique one, so it will be better to use this ID because it is unique. So always use those elements which are unique, like this one, the ID column here, this is the unique, this is auto increment, and this is the primary key of this table. When this remove button is clicked, it will divert to a new file here. So first of all I will be creating a new file here, naming as delete.php. Always remember to use these files inside this htdocs showfly folder, and I will be giving the reference here, means delete.php. so it will divert to delete.php, but I also want to throw this ID, the unique key, with this remove button. So I will be using question mark ID is equal to command dollar row ID, means this one, and then comma again. So first of all make these double quotations into single one, only these ones. I have removed double quotations and converted into single quotations. Now if we will be clicking on this remove, we will be diverted to delete.php with ID is equal to the current ID of the user. So I will be going to delete.php now. Now first of all I will be connecting this database here, and I will be ending this like here, getting the ID I have passed there. So ID is equal to dollar underscore get, and then the ID. So One of the main difference between get and the post is that the get is normally used for getting the data and the post is used for the posting the data. So here we have to get the data, like from this show.php. Here id is equal to row id. Now I will be getting the data through this get method here. Now I will be adding a query here. So for query, dollar SQL is equal to, we will be copying the query from the database, like from here. I'm refreshing this and I will be going to this SQL. I will be clicking on this delete and copying this. Make sure your query is in double quotation. I will be adding where class here to make it specific that what to delete. Basically this delete from customer will delete all the data inside the customer table, but if I'm making this where class here, means it will delete the specified thing. So where id, means the id column is equals to this dollar id, the id we have get it from the show.php. This connectivity, if this database connection approaches to query, which query with this query dollar SQL equals to true, then there will be an echo that the record is deleted. We can also add the ID of the record here, the record with ID means this ID is deleted. So this will print if the query is true, means we have some record and it is deleted, then the query will show that the record with this ID is deleted, and in the else condition it will show an error. Error means which error? The SQL error, and then the break here, and then this connectivity error. So if it is true, then this statement will be shown, else error, the SQL error, and then the connectivity error, both will be shown here. So I am saving it and let's see here. So we are here. After this else condition, I will be adding dr tag here, and then I will be adding an anchor tag which will show that go back, and I will be going back to show.php where all the data will be shown. I'm saving this and let's go to this show.php. So you can see here these all are anchored. So if I'm clicking on this, this is now clickable. I'm 13 Ankit. So you see here there is an error in this is deleted on line number 15. So line number 15 we are missing this dot here. I'm saving it and let's refresh this one. So the record with id 13 is deleted. I'm going to back. You can see the previously there were 13 records, now it's 12. The 13 one is deleted. So this is all about the database creating, showing and the deleting. So we have covered the delete operation in the database, and that's all for the web development course, and hope you enjoyed this course. Thank you.